So here's the Google widget we've installed, and we're not going to dig too deep on the functionality of a bunch of different widgets, but let's just look at what this Google widget is capable of. So it has three functions: Google Search, Google Lens, and Song Search. So if I tap on the G, I get a very common looking Google search. I can type something in the search bar at the top of the screen and search for that topic. Now I'll swipe up to go back into the widget. And then in the lower right corner of the widget, there's Google Lens. If I tap on Google Lens, it'll turn on my camera. And now I can point the camera at something. I'll point it at my keyboard and tap this search button, and Google Lens will do a search for whatever I've taken a picture of. In this case, Apple keyboard. So that's Google Lens. One caveat about Google Lens is that for Google Lens to work on an iPhone, you have to have Google Photos installed on your iPhone, the Google Photos app. And in the comments below, I will put a link to show you how to install Google Photos on your iPhone. And the last tool in this widget is Song Search. So I'm going to tap the microphone. And now if I sing a song like "Oh beautiful for spacious skies and amber waves of grain," and Google will search for that song, and even with my terrible singing voice, it found America the Beautiful. So those are the three tools within the Google Search widget.